Hi guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me unboxing the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes. Jeffree just released a collection of nice neutral eyeshadows and I am so excited to unbox these and show you guys. I've been waiting so long for a type of collection like this from him, especially because I wear neutral eyeshadows pretty much in my daily life, and so I'm super excited to have a palette from Jeffree that is going to be super wearable and create nice natural glam looks. And so I'm really excited to unbox these and show you guys how they look in person. I've seen all the pictures and video reveals that people have done, so I'm so excited to be able to do that myself. So if you're interested to see me unbox these palettes, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've got my package right here. I ordered my stuff off of Beautylish.com and I was so happy that I did that. The checkout process was super fast and easy for me, which was really nice. And this just released this previous Friday and it's now Monday and I've got my palettes already. So I am so excited to have gotten these so fast and so soon. I loved when I ordered stuff from him off of Morphe as well, because with my Shane collection, I got that super quickly too, which I was really excited about. So I definitely recommend ordering off Beautylish because the shipping was so fast for me. And normally when I order off of Jeffree's site, I have to wait about 2 weeks for it to get here. So for only a 3 to 4 day shipping that was free shipping, this came so fast. So I am so excited to unbox these palettes and see what is inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my box and then pull out the palettes. Alright guys, so I just opened up my package and this is what the outer packaging of the palette looks like. It is gorgeous. I'll make sure to insert a bunch of close-up shots. So this is the big palette and this one has a whole bunch of shades in it, and so I'm really excited about that. And then this is the mini palette, what this one looks like. And I am so excited to open these. I know that the names of the palettes are kind of out there, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna say it just because I don't want to like get in trouble by YouTube or anything like that, but these are what the palettes look like. I'm super excited to open these and see how they look in person. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out of their unicartons. And I definitely think I'll keep the unicartons and put them on display with all my other stuff. So, all right. Wow, this big palette is gorgeous. This is very beautiful and it has a whole bunch of great neutral shades. So this is the inside of this palette. And then it does come with a big mirror on the other side, which is super nice. And so yeah, this is gorgeous. It is beautiful. The packaging actually is raised a little bit, which is really cool. So very beautiful packaging, and these colors are so pretty in person. Wow, I am so excited to get to use this. And the best part about buying new palettes that I love is you can peel off that little mirror so that the mirror is all nice and clean. So I am so excited about this palette. This is so pretty. And then now moving on to the mini palette. This palette packaging is also very stunning. It's got kind of like this matte pink color to the packaging and it's so pretty. And then the letters on this one are also raised, which is really cool. And then same thing on the mini palette, you can peel that cover off the mirror. And then, wow, these colors are gorgeous as well. The camera on this shade called Frozen Fire is reading a little brighter pink, which I was really nervous about actually from other pictures that I had seen. And this actually is very gorgeous. It still has quite a bit of pink to it, but it's a super wearable, deep, rosy gold color. It's a pretty deep shade of rose gold, but it is so pretty. And I am so excited for these nice shimmer colors because I've been really into shimmer colors for summer. So these are so gorgeous. I'm so excited to play with both of these, and these color combos together, I mean, are gonna be great, and because they just coordinate with each other so much. I'll try to hold up both of them for you so that you can kind of see just how these colors are gonna match up very nicely. So I am so excited to get to play with these, and I will make sure to try to insert a couple swatches. I'll probably swatch most of this mini palette for you guys and show you outside in the sun what these swatches look like, just because I don't think the beauty lights are gonna really do it justice. And then I'll maybe swatch a couple from the big one. I'm not really sure, just because pretty much these ones are reading pretty accurately on the camera. So I'll make sure to still insert a bunch of videos close up for you guys if I haven't done that already throughout the video. But wow, these palettes, I'm so excited to use these. I think they're gorgeous, and they're not like your typical neutral palettes. Like, these are still very different, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah, I am very excited to get to play with these and create some nice, beautiful, natural smoky eye looks. So I definitely think that these will become a good staple in my collection for sure. So I'm really excited. Alright guys, so I think that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me unbox my Jeffree Star palettes. I am so excited to be able to mess around with these and create some nice, beautiful looks. These are so stunning. I love the packaging, and I definitely think I'm going to use these so much, and definitely put them on display in my collection, because I have displayed a lot of my other palettes in my room. So I'm super excited that I can display these because I think they're very, very beautiful. So I definitely think that this collection is going to be a hit for so many people, just because of how wearable the colors are and just how I think it could appeal to pretty much everybody. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I hope that you guys will stay tuned for me showing you guys some looks. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers that I can start to do that for you guys and show you how I'm using both these palettes. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video, because I love doing videos like this. So yeah, I am also done with my schooling to be a pharmacy tech. I'm actually in a pharmacy right now working and got hired there, so I'm super excited. I love doing this, and it has been just so fun. So yeah, lots of great things coming my way for my just life in general. And I took my PTCB test, and I was so shocked because I did so well. And so let me know if you guys want to know more about my pharmacy technician schooling, and then maybe how to prepare for the PTCB, because I did pass that and I got my score back, and I actually got a 95%, which I could not believe because of how hard that test can be. So I was so excited. And so let me know if you guys want any type of videos like that, especially if you're thinking about going into something like that or want to know more information on it. So yeah, I'm trying to think if there's any other life updates that I can quickly tell you guys, but I think that's all for now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!